How to fix login errors on Chime mobile banking app. If you want to fix the login errors on your Chime mobile banking app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do in this case is, first of all, make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. So just make sure that both your Wi-Fi and other options are working just fine. After that, the issue could be with the app. So for iPhone users, you can open up settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and you can simply search for the Chime mobile banking application over here. So just tap on the show all option here if you don't see it. Then you can just go ahead and search for Chime. Then you can tap on offload and then reinstall the app. For Android users, you can simply clear the application data. Now last but not the least, you could also be having this issue if your login credentials are incorrect. So open the Chime mobile banking app, tap on login, and make sure that both your email and password are actually correct. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap the I button, but in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap the need help button and you will be able to also reset your password or even your email address if you don't remember them. So this way you should easily be able to fix any login errors that you have on the Chime mobile banking app. I hope that this video really helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.